Welcome back to our 38th Python tutorial. Now, I'm hoping that this is 38th, not 37th, but we'll stick with 38th. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you just a little bit of something that we can do at some point in time. Now, firstly, what I want you to do is I want you to type help in brackets, and now, where is it? I think that what we're going to look for is modules. Okay, so I'm just going to go up this and see if I can find the correct one here. There we go. So now we want to grab it date time. So date time, and what you'll see here is that this is a very long little program, and as you can see, class date time, and then got date time here. So now this is very important for what we're going to cover in a second. Now, so just keep in mind here that what we've got is we've got a massive amount of stuff to worry about. So okay. So what you saw before with that date time and all that, now I'm going to close that. It's very important because what I'm going to show you is that we've seen all these little values. Now we're going to actually use it. Now we can't just put, say, date time and hit enter, because that's not going to realize. It's not going to realize if we hit date time. See, what we've got to do is, because we're going to be using a function that is within a different class, so we need to import that class, and the class is named datetime. So we hit enter, datetime's in. So now what we need to do is we're going to use datetime. So because we need to do this, we need to define the class that it's in. It's in datetime. We're using datetime. And now within datetime, we're going to look for a variable or function or whatever you want to call it. Now, sorry about that. I need to grab that all again. Datetime, and then I'm going to call the little method now. So what it's done is it's now just loaded the date and the time. So there we go. And a little bit more value that this thing has is that what we can do is, after you copy it, obviously, we want to do string, and then here we want to put in date time. I'm going to copy this again because I do kind of want to use it. And there we go. So we've got it's a bit clearer. And additional options that we have is we can then call another one date, and it'll only select the date section of it. We can also do the exact same thing where we call time. And there we go, we've got the time only. As you can tell, it's changing a little bit because that's just what time does. But one thing that we can't do is we can't do .time and .date, because essentially all that's within the just date time now. Sometimes I just, but yeah, so that's what we've got. We've got the date time, and as a string we can print it out. Very useful for little things. And we also took a bit of a look into different classes at the moment. So this was a big lesson. Go through it again. Go through that date time class if you want and take a look at what exactly it does. But essentially all it does is it's just telling us the time. It's getting the variables and then printing it out on the screen. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.